Okay. Now there's one more thing asking. Okay, people is asking.
Parang ako nahirapan dito
Vilat.
ah.
What?
Tagawat ka lang pirlas ha. Walang ambag ha. Ikaw naman mag-explain.
What? What are you asking, Judge?
People. No, not me. Not me. People. Your people.
What
This is
asking
your
you?
people. Not. They are asking.
Pagod na pagod ang mat ah.
Vilat.
O, ikaw naman yan. Ikaw naman.
I'm from Philippines. I'm half Black American, half Filipinas.
Yeah.
But I give my perlas to the Filipino. You know perlas?
No. Perla.
He's perlas.
Bro. Bro.
Grabe yun.
Bro.
Tol, may bata dito.
Bro.
May bata
Sorry.
dito.
Bro.
Next
That's
site lang, next site.
Bro, that's why you guys have a lot of viewers. Because you guys are funny.
Because we are manyak. You know manyak?
No, no, what's maniac?
Manyak means it's like this.
Just one or two?
Ba? Tawa si uncle sa'yo. Oh.
Hindi pa yun, uncle.
Tama pala sa'yo.
Wait, one second.
Hindi po. Pure Philippines.
What does Kifi means?
Kifi?
What does that mean?
That's a branch of 7-Eleven. Open 24 hours.
Yeah. Kifi.
Yes, of course. That's a brand of 7-Eleven.
7-Eleven.
24/7.
24/7 open.
Yeah.
Open si kami.
24/7 open. The Kifi, 24/7 open.
Open,
Open.
fake. Open, closed, open. And there is a magic word. If you want to open,
What's the magic word?
What's the magic word?
Tron.
What?
If you want to open the kifi, you should bring Tron.
Tron.
Toron. Toron.
Toron.
Tingnan na.
Huh?
You should put the turon inside.
Inside the kifi.